The source of learning how to use your two eyes together is through the brain. The brain is the traffic director. So my suggestion would be two possibilities. Number one, if you want to go on my website, there is a program for strabismus double vision, and it's my eye clarity program. It's a 90-day program. You could start doing those exercises with your child and you would see results. If you want a more specific approach, look for either an occupational therapist or a holistic optometrist, somebody who does vision therapy. And if you go that route, you will have great success in eventually dissolving the intermittent esotropia, and your child will use both eyes together and he or she will soar.